Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Pineapple Hat says hello, and today it is hot sauce time. Hi, I'm the Bearded Sauce, and today we are going to sample Parrot Sriracha. Anyway, this is out of Thailand, distributed by Sun Hing Foods Incorporated out of South San Francisco. So I've never tried this. I really want to, so here we go. Probably should have had this open. Just a second. Fail. Peel sticker. That can go. All right, you know what? We're gonna do the easy thing here. Like this, go like that. There we go. Anyway, I've been wanting to try this. I've had this in my fridge for a while. So Parrot Sriracha Hot Sauce. All right, let's get the spoon. And then we'll just pour a dab on there. Anyway, here it is. Nice and red. Oh, I'm scared. Here we go. Wow. Wow. That's good. That is actually really, really good. It says it's pretty spicy. I love hot sauce. I gotta say, it's different than all the other srirachas I have had. It's got more of the, I don't know, garlicky flavor, I guess. Even though, oh, it does have garlic in it. So water, chili peppers, sugar, garlic, jalapeno, rice vinegar. That's probably what it is. Oh, vegan, shout out. Anyway, so Parrot brand Sriracha Hot Sauce is made with selected fresh Thai red chili peppers to use in soups, sauces, pasta, pizza, hamburgers, and all other Asian dishes to enhance the delicious and spicy taste. So I'd have to say for the first sauce, Parrot Hot Sauce, Sriracha Hot Sauce, I'd have to give it an 8.5 out of 10. Now that is really good. I would definitely try it. Thanks for joining us and have a great day, guys.